आपको अगर लग रहा होगा कि मुझे वीलॉग पब्लिश करने में इतना टाइम क्यों लगा, तो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि दिस वीडियो वॉज माई ड्रीम। सो आई वॉज ट्यूनिंग सम कलर प्रीसेट्स फॉर दिस वीडियो टू मेक इट फील मोर ऑडरेबल। लेक टेकापू से निकलने के बाद वी हेडेड टू माउंट कुक नेशनल पार्क। कहते हैं ये रोड न्यूजीलैंड का सबसे सीनिक ड्राइव है विच इज़ फॉलोइंग द लेंथ ऑफ लेक पुकाकी। In midst, we took some small breaks at the lookout points and flied our drone, but unfortunately, we lost the signal due to high flowing pressure of winds. We need to land the drone accidentally. Feel and good vibes at Lookout Point, just embrace it. अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर लो यार, एंड बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दो so that you will get the notification of my newly published video. और मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये वीडियो एंड तक देखो, आपको लगेगा कि हुक्कर वैली आपने वर्चुअली घूम लिया। We stayed at Glenetton Park for one night. In the morning, we reached YHA Mount Cook Backpacker and had a good coffee in the Old Mountaineers Cafe. So today is our day 11 of a South Island trip. We are just starting up at the day with a coffee. Charging my batteries. Now we will be going towards the Hooker Valley track. So Hooker Valley Trail starts from the White Horse Hill campground at the end of the Hooker Valley Road. So as we can see on this board, there are three tracks. First one is a Kia Point track, Silly Train and a Mueller Hut route. And the timings are given. This track length is 10 kilometers, including return journey, and time required is 3 hours. The track ends at Hooker Lake, from where you can see the incredible Mount Cook, which is the highest peak in New Zealand. लेकिन हम वो तीनों ट्रैक्स नहीं आज करने वाले, हम कभी फिर करेंगे क्योंकि हम 3 दिन यहाँ माउंट कुक में रुकने वाले हैं। सो बेसिकली हम अभी जा रहे हैं हुक्कर वैली, जाके 3 एक्सप्लोर पॉइंट्स है, तो हम ये आज एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं। सेकेंड इज़ लाइक इफ़ यू आर कीपिंग अ बॉटल, कीप इट सेफ, अदरवाइज कीप अ हाइड्रेशन बैग विथ यू, so it's very comfortable to drink a water from the hydration bag. There is a pipe which comes ahead and we can take a sip by sip whenever it's needed. On the trail you will go through 3 swing bridges. Also you can enjoy the mesmerizing view of the Lake Mueller and listen to the rumbling of avalanches from the distant Mount Sefton. So this is a Mueller Lake lookout point which is absolutely fabulous. बस आज मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगा नहीं क्योंकि नज़ारे ही कुछ ऐसे हैं और वाइब्स है हमेशा की तरह चिल वाइब्स ब्रो। Later, while you proceed on the trail, you will pass through the swing bridge 2 and 3. I see every person as a mountain of sort. We can see how they look from afar, but you will never know them until we explore. And that's why I like mountains, because they make me feel small. We are just 5 minutes far away from the Hooker Valley viewpoint. Just wanted to show the view. Let's not talk too much. And finally, we have reached the end point, that is the Hooker Lake. And this is the Mount Cook, the highest peak in New Zealand. See you in the next episode. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and share, and do follow us on Instagram, Transformation Next. तोपर्यंत भावा जमलंय. It is said the best views come after the hardest climb. And it's true. One day do give us a call. If the time comes, we'll make up on the top.